This is lesson 148, number skills. Okay, let's do some practice. And because this is, we did half the paper yesterday, and you're going to do the other half tomorrow, you won't have any kind of a paper for this lesson. You had a letters and sounds paper, 2 sides, but for today, we don't have a number skills paper. Let's go on to the next slide. We have been learning how to count by twos. Now, remember our cheer. 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Jesus, Jesus, yay, Jesus. That will help you to remember that we count, when we count by twos, is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And Jesus is definitely a 10. Okay, so let's practice we're going to count to 100 by twos. Ready? Take a deep breath because it's a lot of numbers we have to say. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Take a deep breath and let it out. That was a lot of counting. Okay, now let's go to the next slide. And I'm going to see if you can do these really fast. I'm going to say them, you answer it, and then whenever we're down here to the last one down here, we're going to go back over here and see if you got them right. Here we go. 4 plus 0 is, 6 plus 2 is, well, we have 4 plus 6, but 6 plus 4 is, okay, 3 plus 3 is, 5 plus 4 is, 8 plus 2 is, 4 plus 4 is, 5 plus 3 is, 6 plus 3 equals, and 4 plus 3 equals. Do you think you got it right? I may have gone a little fast for you, but as we go along, we'll hopefully get a lot faster. Okay, let's go over here. 4 plus 0, that was pretty easy because if you add 0 to any number, it's going to be the same. So that would be 4, right? So 6, 7, 8. Did you think that was 8? All right. Now this one, the big number's on the bottom, so I count from the big number. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that what you got? 3 plus 3. So we'll say 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Now the big number's on the bottom, so I'm going to count that from that number. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's go down to the next one. Count from 8. 8, 9, 10. So that would be a 10. 4 plus 4. Let's do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That would be an 8. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, we got another 8. Got 2 8s in a row. Okay, counting from 6. 6, 7, 8, 9. Were you doing it like that? Okay, now we're going to just remember the 3 has 3 points. 1, 2, 3. So 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I hope you got the same answers on that. Okay, I'm going to clear that, and then we're going to go down to the next one. Now, if you have your green numbers chart, you can use that, or we'll just bounce back and forth from this one to this one, okay? So we have a 45. This one is going to be before number and after number. So let's see, 45, remember 45, 45, 45. Let's go over here and find 45. 45, 40, wait, 45, there it is, 45. What comes before 45? 44, 45, 46. Let's go down here. 40, what? Well, that's both in the 40 family. Let's put 40s down. Now, what comes before 5? 4. What comes, let's see, we have 4, 5. Did you say 6? I did. Okay, so this one's in between. So these both have teens, so I'm going to do a 1 in there. And then we have 3, 5. So what comes in between 3 and 5? Let's go up here. Between 3 and 5. What's in between 3 and 5? It's 4, isn't it? So 13, 14, 15. Cool. Now this one's a little more difficult because remember if we were doing the number columns, that'd be on the bottom, and then we'd have the next family. Because whenever you get to the bottom, you have to go to the next family. What is the next family here? Did you say 70 family? 69, 70, that's right. Because our next family would be the daddy of the 70 family. Did you get that? Okay, I'm going to go up here and clear this. Let's go to the next one. Let's look at this. We have nickels and pennies. This is something we haven't done before, so pay very, very close attention to this, okay? We have a nickel, and a nickel is worth 5 piddly-doos, right? No, 5 what? Cents, because that's the sign for cents. And this is worth how many? What do we count by? 1 doodle whopper, right? No. 1 cent. Okay, so we have 5 cents we count by and 1 cent. So we're going to count 5s, and then we're going to have to stop when we run out of nickels and start counting by 1s, which is the next number. So if we're at 5, what's next? What's next if we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? So we would go from 5, the next number would be 6, because we have to stop counting by 5s, because if we only have 1, let's go down here and try it. We have 5. Can we go 5, 10? No, that's not a nickel, so we can't go 5, 10. So this one is 5. And if you're counting by 1s, what's 1 more than 5? 5, 6. And then you have 7. So in this box is 7 cents. Okay, now we're going to get harder. Let me get rid of those, all of those. Now we're counting by 5s, and then we're going to stop right here. And then we're going to think, okay, what is the very next number that comes after what we count to here? Okay, ready? 5, 10, stop. We're at 10. If we're counting by 1s, now what would we do? 10, 11, 12, 13. So we would have 13 cents. Very good. I'm going to clear that. Okay, I'm going to go a little faster. Just remember, we're going to change from 5s to 1s here. Okay, so when we get here, we're just going to stop at this one and then start counting by 1s. Here we go. See if you can do it. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. So that one would be 17 cents. Wow, you guys are getting ready for first grade here. Okay, let's count them again. See if we can do this right. 5, 6, 7. Hey, it's sort of like adding 5 plus 2. Remember? 5, 6, 7. It's just like that. Wow. Okay, so this is like counting 2 5s, which is 10 plus 3. So here we go. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that one would be 13 cents. Let's do this one. Are you with me? 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. All right. So if you stop when you're counting here, stop and think, okay, the next one is by ones. Okay, very good. And let's see if we have anything else. And that's the end of it. So I guess we'll end our lesson here. We do not have a paper for today in our number skills. Tomorrow we'll do the back side of the one we did yesterday. Remember that. Okay, I miss you guys. Bye-bye.